Hi there, Evan with Bluebird Exteriors here today in Greeneville, Tennessee to talk about house washing and our process on how we do this so that you can be more informed when you're getting a quote for house washing and you can know what the best procedure is. So, all right. So first thing that we've done when we arrive at a home for house washing is we make sure everything's covered up here. So we got our doorbells. They're all covered up. Our outlets are taped. Exterior lights, those are bagged up. It's just to protect them from the water that we're going to be spraying, cleaning products, so on and so forth. So once everything is all protected, any furniture that needs to be moved, we move away. This stuff we're gonna clean this for the customer, spray it off. It's all dusty and dirty. So that's why we left it up here. Then we're going to take our cleaning product here. Now I've already applied to the sides, and but I will show you on this wall, just going to demonstrate what we're dealing with here. So we apply our cleaning product, just like this, very gentle. This is going to remove all this stuck on dirt, loosen up the mildew growth, kind of just make it easier for our washing process. And we're going to go over here. So we've got John over here. He's getting our washing going, or rinsing, excuse me. So once we've let the product sit for about 10-15 minutes or so, we get it all rinsed off. So this has all been rinsed here. We can see John over here, he's rinsing the exterior of this porch. Very gentle washing here. We do not use high pressure when we are washing on the home. Low pressure only. We let the cleaning product do some of the work, and then we just rinse it off. Even in cases like this, close quarters, we got all the furniture moved away from the walls, and we're good to go. And once we've done the final rinse, we'll be taking all this tape off, all the stuff that we put on, and they'll have a nice clean home, ready for their parties or the holidays, whatever's coming up. We'll be ready for them. So this is our house washing process. Again, Evan with Bluebird Exteriors here in Greeneville, Tennessee. We serve the surrounding areas as well. If you're interested in getting a quote from us, 423-657-0880. All quotes are free, of course, and we'd be happy to guide you along and the specific needs for your home. You can also visit our website and get a free quote there, BluebirdExteriorsLLC.com. Have a great day.